Good morning, everybody. It's 10:01 and 7 seconds on October 12th. This is the main drawing for the Secret Wars number 8, the 9.8, and the raw copy. Whoever comes in first place gets the 9.8 slab. Whoever comes in second place gets the raw copy. I should be able to ship both of them out today. Okay? Over here on the left are the 23 filled spots. I don't know what just happened there. Alright, let's go back down. Alright, we will roll the 3 dice. The number is a lucky 7. I'm going to randomize 7 times. Again, whoever comes in first place at the end of the 7th roll, will win the slab. Whoever comes in second place gets the raw copy. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here comes the final one, 7. Wow, Will Lehman takes it all. Both from the mini. Congratulations, Will. Time is 10:02 and 21